Hi, my name is Jazz. For how long na po kayo naglalaro with OK Games or OK Bet?
For about maybe 5 months.
How was your experience naman po playing with OK Games or OK?
Okay, but talaga dyan ako nag-start. So, wala sa lahat. Sa Paymaya and Gcash, talagang okay bet lang yung nilalaruan.
Your experience naman po with playing with us?
Nerve-wracking. Actually, I have no idea pag sa personal. Kasi sa phone, ibang-iba talaga siya eh. Makikita mo sa phone yung numbers na lalabas. So, makakapag-wish ka pa.
Ano naman pong na-feel nyo or naramdaman na you were invited with this kind of event brought by OK Games?
It was actually a blessing. Like, kanina, hinabol lang nila. Kasi hindi ko sinasagot yung phone for 3 consecutive times na nagtawag sila. So, nung nasagot nung asawa ko yung call, and he informed, the agent informed us na kasali din ako.
Ano masasabi nyo with OK Games for doing this kind of event?
Thank you very much. It's a good opportunity to all the players and parang we are seeing na yung mga players parang makikita nyo kami na pinapahalagaan nyo rin kami. Ayun.
With these prizes that you get, ma'am, do you have any plans on anong gagawin nyo dito with the watch? Are you watch collector po ba?
Maglalaro ako dyan sa labas. Joke ko lang, save and then siguro pag maglalaro ulit sa Okay Bet.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. That's all I have. That's all the questions I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the night. Thank you so much.